Hello YouTube. I have me a 760 here, and I decided to take the smoothbore barrel off and see if I can put an M4-177 rifle barrel on there. Now right here is a 760 smoothbore. It's got a flat notch here and a flat notch right here for the sights, and the M4 barrel, which is right here, doesn't have any flats, and obviously it's a rifle barrel as well. So let's look here and we can compare the two, and they're identical lengths. I mean, everything looks good as far as just bolting it in and just getting it to where it seems real simple. So I think I'm going to see if that'll just bolt in and see how it goes, and let's see how this all works out. Got all my parts scattered out all over the place, so I'm going to start messing around and putting this together and see if the m4-177 rifle barrel will actually do pretty good in the 760. And this particular model is, I don't know if you can see that, it says 9 of 09. It was manufactured in September of 09, I guess. So this is basically the particular deal that I'm messing with right now. This is a standard smoothbore 760. It shoots really well for a smoothbore. I'm actually very impressed with it. Of course, it's mostly plastic except for the barrel, of course, and the pump tube there. So I'm gonna put this bad boy back together, see how it all goes, and hopefully we'll do some shooting here. Okay guys, I already had the barrel support, so I ordered the barrel from Crosman. I think it was like $8, but I just got the barrel, so I had to press the support onto the barrel, and I'd like to show you guys how I did that. I put in the pump tube, and the barrel support, which is right here, I bolted it in as if it was going in there permanent. Now the barrel, I just slid through this hole, and this right here, the screw right here is loose, so the barrel slides, and I slid it down into here and I lined it up with the barrel support, and then I slowly took this and held it and pressed it, the receiver, onto the barrel. So that way that allowed me to hold the barrel support right here in the receiver, and I mounted the stock on there to give me more support when I was pushing. And I just pushed it gently. I did not apply a lot of pressure to pushing this support onto the barrel right here. So I just made sure that this was straight in here to where when I pushed the barrel all the way in through here, it lined up good with the barrel support, and I just started pushing real easy. And then I'll take it apart and check it and make sure that it was going on straight. And I felt it seat when I was pushing it. I knew that that was the bottom, so here I am taking it back apart. The barrel support securely on the barrel now, and I think everything looks good. I'll take it further, take it apart and look through the barrel, make sure it is aligned. But anyway, if you order the assembly from Crosman, the barrel support's already on the barrel, but in this case I already had the barrel support, so I just ordered the barrel. And this is how I assembled the two. So, you know, it's kind of important to be able to mount that in the receiver to where you could push it on there with relative ease and get it straight. So that was kind of a big deal, I think, because if you don't get this straight on the barrel, if the barrel support is crooked for whatever reason, it kind of shows up. So I got it as straight as I could with it mounted in the receiver here. So it worked out really well. And of course the pump tube is the gun's backbone. I mean, that pump tube goes all the way, almost plumb the length of the receiver. So it's a very important part as far as the strength of the gun. And so I just going to go ahead and take it apart a little bit further and inspect my work on that barrel support assembly. And it worked out pretty good, I think. So there we are. Okay guys, I got it all put back together now, and right there is the smoothbore 760 barrel, and right there is the M4-177 barrel. It's a bolt right in deal, worked out great. All right, let's start some testing now. Okay, this is a test with the Crosman Premier Hollow Point 7.9 grain. Okay guys, I wasn't real sure how much the Crosman pointed pellet weighed, and it looks like it's coming in to about 7.4 grains, 7.46. So okay, there we go. Okay, and this is a test with the Crosman pointed pellet 7.4 grain. Okay, it didn't do too bad. It's showing about maybe between 485 and 490 with the rifled barrel now. I think the cronies with the smooth barrel was somewhere in the range of 530, 525, something like that. So not too bad. So let's do some target testing of the gun and see how well it groups and find out how it's all going to work together. Okay, YouTube. Right here we got our 10-yard test, and this here is Destroyer EX. This one is Crosman Premier Hollow Points, and this one is our Crosman Pointed Pellets. And it looks like our best groups right here. I'll do some measurement, but this looks to be 625 or 5/8 of an inch there, so we may take that one to 20 yards and see what it can do. Okay. Okay guys, here we are at 20 yards. I just got through shooting this. This is Crosman pointed pellets, and this shot right here I actually pulled. That was my fault. So we got this right here going on, and right here looks like a pretty good group. This is obviously 3 shots, and it looks like about 1 1/8 inch, just rough. I'll measure it more closely later on. But this is what we got here at 20 yards, and you know, clearly the barrel needs to be broke in, maybe even cleaned, so it's not too bad so far. So there we are. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That concludes my video on the 760 with the M4 barrel. Hope you guys enjoyed it.